So this is the Leaving Cert Foundation Level Maths 2019 paper, question 8. The rectangular box shown below has a square base of length 10 centimeters and is 6.5 centimeters high. So find the volume of the box. Well, the volume of the box is the length by the width by the height. So it's 10 by 10 by 6.5, which gives you 650. So your answer, again, very important, is 650 centimeters cubed because it's volume. Don't forget to put in your centimeters cubed. Okay, so next then, the diagram below, not drawn to scale, they say that because they don't want you to measure it, shows Tom's lawn with measurements as shown. So that side is 9 meters, that side is 12 meters, and that whole side is 18 meters, which means that this side is divided into 12 meters and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 6 meters. Okay? The lawn can be divided, let's bring up so you can see the question. The lawn can be divided into a rectangle and a triangle, as shown by the dotted line in the diagram. Find in meters squared the area of the whole lawn. Well, first of all, you have to get the area of the rectangle, then the area of the triangle, and then add the two of them together. So, let's get the area of the rectangle first. So the area of the rectangle is very simply the height by the width, the length by the breadth, whatever you want to call it. So it's 9 meters by 12 meters. So 9 by 12 is 108. So 108 is the area of the rectangle. Next, you get the area of the triangle. And the area of the triangle is the base by the height. Now we know that the base of the whole thing is 18. We have that here. So to find out this bit, if you haven't written it in already, is you do 18, the whole lot, take away this bit, take away the 12, and that gives you your 6. So the base of your triangle is 6. The height of your triangle is this here, and because it's the other side of the rectangle, it's also 9. So your height is 9. So then the area of your triangle is your 6 by your 9, so it's 54. Which seems wrong to me. It should be half the base by the perpendicular height. So it should be 3 by 9. Let's correct that. So that's 3 by 9. And 3 by 9. There we go. Do this correctly. You can see all the mistakes I made. So see, even us perfect people don't get it right. So 3 by 9 is, 27. Okay. So then the next thing to do is, once you have the area of your triangle and the area of your rectangle, you add the two of them together. So the area of your rectangle was 108. Add to that the area of your triangle, which is 27. And 108 plus 27 is 100. And let's see, what is it? 137.65. 135. So it's 135. And again, when you're doing, so you can see it there, 135. When you're writing in your answer, don't forget to put in your measurement. 135. You were looking for area, so it is meters squared. Okay. So Tom wants to reseed his lawn. A bag of grass seed, here so you can see it. There we go. Tom wants to reseed his lawn. A bag of grass seed covers 20 meters square. What is the minimum number of bags he will need to reseed the whole lawn? Okay, so to reseed his lawn, then first of all you get your total area, which is okay, so let's try that with the new numbers. So to find out how many bags you'll need, you get the area, which was 135. Okay. You divide it by the amount of meters squared that a bag will cover, which is 20. So divide that by 20, and that tells you that you need 6.75 bags. Now, obviously, you can't go into the shop and buy 6.75 bags. So you need to correct it not to the nearest whole number, but to the next whole number. Okay, the next highest whole number. And the next whole number is 7. So even if that was like 6.1, you wouldn't round it down to 6. You'd have to go up to the nearest big number, the nearest highest next number. And that is, in this case, 7. So the answer is he needs to buy 7 bags of grass seed.